Imagine a world where the fountain of youth isn't a mythical liquid but something far more accessible. What if I told you that the key to unlocking decades of extra life lies in your own hands, quite literally? Through the simple power of movement, we've discovered how ordinary people are transforming their bodies, minds, and lifespans. From busy executives finding peace in morning runs to grandparents discovering new energy through yoga, this is the story of human transformation. Want to know how you can add years to your life while feeling better than ever before? Stay with us as we uncover the science behind movement and longevity. Don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing insights. The relationship between physical activity and health has fascinated humanity for centuries, yet modern science continues to reveal astonishing new dimensions to this connection. When we examine our evolutionary history, it becomes clear that humans were designed for movement. Our ancestors walked miles each day, climbed trees for food, and engaged in constant physical activity just to survive. This ancient programming still exists within us, though modern life often leads us to ignore these fundamental needs. The consequences of sedentary living manifest in various ways, from decreased cardiovascular function to compromised mental health. However, when we embrace movement, something remarkable happens. Blood begins pumping more efficiently, oxygen reaches every corner of our body, and our cells respond with renewed vigor. It's not just about burning calories. It's about activating complex biological processes that keep our systems functioning optimally. Consider the story of Sarah, a corporate lawyer who spent years glued to her desk, surviving on coffee and takeout meals. Her transformation began with something as simple as a daily 15-minute walk during lunch breaks. Within weeks, she noticed improvements in her focus and energy levels. Encouraged by these changes, she gradually incorporated other forms of movement into her routine: weekend cycling adventures, evening stretching sessions, and eventually, regular strength training. Each new activity triggered different responses in her body. Cardiovascular exercise improved her heart health, flexibility work enhanced her joint mobility, and strength training built muscle mass that boosted her metabolism even at rest. What started as a small step became a complete lifestyle transformation, demonstrating how incremental changes can lead to profound results. The science behind these transformations is equally fascinating. When we engage in physical activity, our bodies release a cascade of beneficial chemicals. Endorphins create that famous runner's high, while hormones like serotonin and dopamine improve mood and cognitive function. At the cellular level, movement stimulates the production of mitochondria, those tiny powerhouses that generate energy within our cells. Regular physical activity also helps regulate insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Perhaps most remarkably, studies show that consistent movement can actually slow down the aging process at the genetic level, preserving telomere length and maintaining cellular integrity. These biological benefits extend beyond mere physical appearance. They touch every aspect of our health, from immune system function to mental clarity. Different forms of physical activity offer unique benefits that complement each other in maintaining overall health. Aerobic exercises, such as running, swimming, or dancing, excel at improving cardiovascular health and endurance. They challenge the heart and lungs to work more efficiently, increasing oxygen capacity and circulation throughout the body. Regular aerobic activity strengthens the heart muscle, lowers blood pressure, and improves cholesterol profiles. For instance, swimmers develop exceptional lung capacity, while dancers benefit from enhanced coordination and rhythm. These activities also promote social interaction and community engagement, which are crucial for mental health and emotional well-being. Strength training, often overlooked in favor of cardio, plays an equally vital role in long-term health maintenance. Lifting weights or using resistance bands builds muscle mass, which naturally declines with age. This muscular foundation supports better posture, reduces injury risk, and maintains metabolic rate. But the benefits extend beyond physical appearance. Weight-bearing exercises stimulate bone density, preventing osteoporosis and fractures later in life. Activities like yoga and Pilates combine strength training with flexibility work, creating a holistic approach to fitness that addresses both muscular development and joint mobility. The mental focus required during these practices also cultivates mindfulness and stress reduction, making them doubly effective for overall well-being. Flexibility and balance exercises represent another crucial component of comprehensive fitness. While often associated with older adults, these activities benefit people of all ages. Stretching routines improve range of motion, prevent injuries, and enhance athletic performance in other activities. Balance training, whether through Tai Chi, yoga, or simple standing exercises, develops proprioception, the body's awareness of its position in space. This skill proves invaluable in preventing falls and maintaining independence as we age. Martial arts practitioners demonstrate how these seemingly gentle movements can translate into powerful physical capabilities. The combination of strength, flexibility, and balance creates a resilient body capable of handling life's physical demands with grace and efficiency. The impact of regular physical activity extends far beyond immediate physical benefits, influencing mental health, social connections, and even professional success. Neuroscientific research reveals that movement triggers the release of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that supports neuron growth and synaptic plasticity. This biological process enhances learning ability, memory retention, and problem-solving skills. Many successful entrepreneurs and executives incorporate movement into their daily routines, recognizing its positive influence on decision-making and creativity. A morning run might seem like a simple exercise, but it primes the brain for optimal performance throughout the day, leading to increased productivity and better judgment in professional settings. Social aspects of physical activity create another dimension of health benefits. Group classes, sports teams, and recreational clubs provide opportunities for meaningful human connection in an increasingly digital world. These interactions combat loneliness and isolation, which have been shown to be as detrimental to health as smoking or obesity. The shared experience of movement fosters camaraderie and mutual support, creating communities that motivate individuals to maintain their fitness journeys. Consider the phenomenon of parkrun events worldwide, where thousands gather weekly to participate in free, volunteer-led 5K runs. These events transcend mere exercise, becoming celebrations of community spirit and collective achievement. Perhaps most compelling is the accumulating evidence regarding movement's impact on lifespan and quality of life. Longitudinal studies consistently show that active individuals enjoy longer lives with fewer chronic diseases. But more importantly, they maintain higher levels of functionality and independence well into old age. Regular exercisers report better sleep quality, enhanced immune function, and greater resilience against stress. Their bodies adapt more effectively to environmental challenges, and their minds remain sharp and engaged. This comprehensive approach to health creates what experts call compression of morbidity, living longer while compressing the period of illness and dependence to the very end of life. The choice to move regularly becomes an investment not just in quantity of life, but in its quality. As we've explored the multifaceted benefits of movement, it's clear that physical activity represents far more than just exercise. It's a fundamental requirement for optimal human functioning. Whether through structured workouts, recreational sports, or simply incorporating more movement into daily life, every step counts toward better health and longevity. Remember, the journey to better health doesn't require dramatic changes overnight. Start small, stay consistent, and watch as movement transforms your body and mind in ways you never imagined possible. If you found this exploration of movement and health valuable, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights into living your best life. Together, let's make movement a celebration of life itself.